Hello friends, welcome to Learn Problem with AAKASH KAUSHIK, and in this video I am going to cover the topic class based output question. I am going to tell you how you can solve the class based output question or to find the output on question based on class. So basically let's start our discussion. This is question from year 2013. They have taken a class in which three data member or variable place, humidity, temp, a function around us, basically it is constructor of class around us with default value 2, that is initializing the values with place with p, humidity 60, temperature 20, a function hot, a function humid, a function just c, and let's move on main function. They have created two objects of class around us, namely a and b. So in the same manner which we have followed in structure, we will create a diagram something like this, in which variables place, humidity and temperature will come horizontal way and the object will come vertical way, a and b. So in a, while creating the object a, they are not passing any argument. So when the constructor will be called, basically whenever you create an object, a constructor for it will be called. So you have to find out which constructor is called for that. So in this program they have taken only one constructor, only single constructor. So this constructor will be called as they are not passing any arguments. So basically value of p will be 2 by default and that will be used. So basically place will be initialized with value 2, humidity equal to 60 and temperature equal to 20. Next statement, b equal to 5. They are creating second object b with value 5 as an argument. So basically value of p will be 5 here and the values will be place equal to 5, humidity 60 and temperature 20 respectively. Next statement, they are calling the function hot using a dot hot with value 10. So basically hot function is taking t as an argument and adding t in temperature. So basically temperature will be incremented by the value of t and value of t is here 10. So basically temperature will be incremented by 10, so it will become 30. Next statement, a dot just c. So just c function will be called using the value of a. So it will print the value of place, that is 2, colon the value of temperature, that is 30, and humidity, that is 60, percentage symbol, enter. Next statement, b dot humid with value 50. So humid function is called with the value of b and argument 15. So humid function is just adding the argument in humidity, or basically increasing the value of humidity with the value passed as an argument. So argument is 15. So basically humidity of b will be plus 15, that will become 60 plus 15, 75. Next statement, b dot hot. Again hot function is called using values of b. So basically an argument as 2. So hot function is implemented the temperature with the value passed as an argument. So argument is 2. So temperature will be incremented by 2 of b. It will become 22. b dot just c, value of b will be printed, that is place 5, colon temperature, that is 22, and humidity, that is 75 for b, percentage symbol, and enter. So cursor will move to the next line. Next statement, a dot humid 5. Again humid function is called for value of for a using object a and with value 5 as an argument. So in this case humidity of a will be incremented by 5. So it will become 65 now. A dot just see, value of a will be printed, that will be value of place 2, colon value of temperature, that is 30, and symbol, value of humidity, that is 65, percentage symbol, and enter. Function is finished. So this will be our output. Okay, let's move on to the next question, next example. This is from year 2015. So they have created a table, namely Cbse with two values to data member grade and bonus. An argument, a constructor that is inside the grade with e and bonus with 0, down function, up function and show function. Move on to the main function. Cbse, basically only one object of class Cbse will be created. So constructor will be called, only one constructor is available, that is default. So grade will be e and bonus will be 0. Again, c dot down 2. Down function is called using c and with argument 2. So basically down function is just decremented the grade by 2. So the grade will become e minus 2. So basically ASCII function will be called. So e minus 2 will be here c d e, to minus 2 ASCII code. So 2 letter before the e. So that will be c. So grade will become here c. Again, c dot show function is called. Show function is just printing the value of grade, that is c, hash value of bonus, that is 0, and then next statement, c dot up 7. Up function is just incremented the grade by the value of g and increment the bonus by 1. So we have to basically c plus 7. So that will be c d e f g h I plus 7. That will be d e f g h I j. It will become j. C plus 7. The next 7th character from C will be j. Again, value of bonus will be included 1. It will become 1. Next statement, c dot show function. So grade hash value of bonus. Bonus will be 1. Next statement, c dot down function. So again, down function is called, and down function will decrement the grade by 2. So basically c dot down 2. So the grade will be down by 2. That will become h, j I h. So j minus 2 will be h. Again, show function is called. So grade will be printed h, then the symbol hash, and then the value of bonus, that is 1. Main function is finished. So this will be our output. You just to call the functions one by one, perform the changes perform in the function in the your variable blocks, and just print the output. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is from year 2014. Okay, a class namely metro with data member m number, trip number and passenger count. A constructor metro with the tm number equal to 1 as a default argument, that is initialize the m number with tm number, trip number as 0 and passenger count as 0. Okay, a function trip, a function status show. Okay, let's move on to the main function. They are creating an object metro m with argument as 5. So basically the constructor will be called with value 5. So m number, tm number will be used here as 5. So m number equal to tm number, that will become 5, trip number equal to 0 and passenger count equal to 0 again. Second, a object t with no argument is called. That's why the default value of argument will be used, that is tm number equal to 1. So basically m number will be initialized by the tm number, that is 1, trip number 0 and passenger count 0. Okay, t dot trip function. Trip function is called using t, object t, and with value 50 as an argument. So basically the value of pc will be used as 50 here because we are passing the argument as 50. So it will just increment the trip number by 1, trip number plus plus. So trip number will be 1 and passenger count equal to plus pc, that is 50. So it will become 50 here. Next statement, m dot status show. So the status show function will be called using the values of m, that is it will print the value of m number, cout m number, that is 5, colon, trip number, that is 0, colon passenger count, that is again 0, and our cursor will be moved to the next line. Next statement, m dot trip with value 30. So trip function will be called using the values of m. So value of PC will be here 30, trip number plus plus it will become 1, and passenger count will be plus PC, that is 30. T dot status show. T dot status show. So basically value of m number of T will be printed, then value of trip number, that is 1 again, passenger count, that is 50, and the cursor will be moved to the next line. Next to last line, m dot status show. So basically values of m will be printed, that is m number as 5, trip number 1, and passenger count 30. So this will be our final output. So the simple trick to solve output question is just to make a block of all the variables, something like this, and do update the value of variable whenever a value will be updated, and just call the function from main in line by line manner, and just update the values and make an output block in which the cout statement of the output statement will be written down. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any query you can comment me in the comment box, or you can mail me at theakashkumar@gmail.com. Thank you so much.